Igoti riri kuihurite ki maitho mothe maroretio kuri mucirithania Jessie Lesiit na matu mothe gutegwo otabawa gutigirira gutire mundu wahitukirirwo ni itua ria igoti rigemaine na cira uyu na Muthia ihinda ria gukurana njeru na njithi ria kinya.
I find that the only sentence to pass in this case is death, and therefore sentence the accused person to death as prescribed by the law.
Agikinyaniria itua riri mucirithania Lesiit augite ati wuira uria urutitwo igoti-ini riri ni wonanitie ati Ruth agerire ngero ino akiendaga atari na tha kana o mundu o wothe thiini wake.
I have considered the circumstances of the offense and find that the accused was manipulative and controlling. The only reasonable explanation why the accused attacked the deceased on the material day.
He got the justice.
Family ya Farid Mohammed ni yukirie itua riri o nginyagia kurira maithori ma gikeno kuona ati mwana wao ni arihiirio na kihoto.
Anybody who thinks there's no justice, there is justice for victims. And that's what we were hoping for today. It's been a long wait period of over 2 years.
Kuringana na mucirithania Lesiit augite ikinya riri rifatie gukorwo ari kionereria kuri mbeu njithi ati ni mafatie gwithema ndũgamano ta ici iria ingicungiriria gikuo.
It is not cool to kill your boyfriend or girlfriend even where you feel disappointed or frustrated. Don't do it. Instead, it is cool to walk away and thereafter to forgive.
Ngero ino iria yahanikire mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka wa 2015 erikanaga gukorwo yacungiriirio ni ngucanio gatagati ka aya eri thutha wa Ruth gwikwa mwendwa wake gukorwo akiyithia wendo wao na nja. Mwaka-ini wa 2016 Ruth niatugirwo na ngoga ya uthaka njera-ini ya atumia ya Lang'ata kuria ningi agwetetwo gukorwo akirutaniria hari kugarurira mitugo na meikarire yake ihinda riria akoretwo njera. Riu Ruth ari na thikũ 14 tu cia gucokia cira wake riko angikorwo ndanaiganira na itua ria igoti. Matanya ma aingi mauma mugaru na itua riria rikinyanirio ni igoti muthenya wa umuthi ona gutuika kuringana na mwena wa thitango giki ni gikeno kuona kihoto kiria maratuire makinyirite kwa ihinda iraya umuthi ni kirikitie gukinyanira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma mucii wa Nairobi, nitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.